Hello and welcome. Ever wondered what's happening inside your gut? It's not just about digesting food. It's home to trillions of microbes, a complex community called the gut microbiome. This microbial world acts almost like another organ, deeply influencing our digestion, nutrient absorption, immune system, and overall health. But understanding this bustling ecosystem, with its constant microscopic interactions, is incredibly challenging experimentally. That's where computational modeling steps in. It's become a vital tool for scientists trying to map out the metabolic conversations happening between our gut microbes and our own bodies. Think of it like creating virtual laboratories to simulate processes we can't easily observe directly. A key approach involves Genome-Scale Metabolic Models, or GMs. Scientists build these models based on a microbe's genetic information, creating a mathematical map of its potential metabolic activities. Using techniques like flux balance analysis, they can predict how a microbe uses nutrients from our diet and what substances or metabolites it produces in return. This lets us explore a microbe's metabolic lifestyle virtually. But microbes don't live in isolation, so researchers extend these models to simulate entire microbial communities. They can model how different species compete for food or even help each other out by sharing metabolic byproducts, a process called cross-feeding. More excitingly, they create integrated models that combine the microbial community with a model of human metabolism. These help us predict how microbial products, like beneficial short-chain fatty acids produced from dietary fiber, cross the gut lining and affect our health, influencing everything from gut health to inflammation. To make these simulations more accurate, scientists feed them real-world data. They use multi-omics information, data from studying the genes present, metagenomics, which genes are active, metatranscriptomics, the proteins produced, metaproteomics, and the actual metabolites present, metabolomics. Adding this data makes the model predictions more specific to certain diets or health conditions. Other computational tools also play a role. Network analysis helps identify critical pathways, while agent-based models simulate individual microbes moving and interacting in a virtual gut space. Machine learning is also increasingly used to find complex patterns in huge datasets and predict health outcomes based on microbiome features. What can we do with all this modeling? The applications are vast. These models help us understand links between gut microbes and conditions like inflammatory bowel disease, obesity, type 2 diabetes, and even heart disease. We can simulate how dietary changes might affect our microbiome, guiding personalized nutrition advice. They also aid in designing better probiotics and prebiotics, predicting which combinations might work best. They even help us understand how treatments like fecal microbiota transplantation achieve their effects. Of course, it's not perfect. We still don't know the functions of many gut microbes, which limits model accuracy. Integrating complex data is tricky, and capturing the gut's dynamic environment is tough. Crucially, predictions made by computers still need careful validation through lab experiments. The future, however, looks bright. We're moving towards more sophisticated models that combine different approaches, like mechanistic modeling with machine learning. Large, curated databases of microbial models are growing, improving consistency. The ultimate goal? Personalized metabolic models tailored to an individual's unique gut microbiome and genetics, paving the way for truly personalized medicine. By harnessing the power of computation, we're steadily decoding the intricate metabolic partnership within our gut, unlocking new strategies to maintain health and combat disease. Thanks for tuning in.